how to make a web page in Clickfunnels where you can embed a YouTube video and then have a call to action on the bottom. And the reason why you would want to do this is so that when you send someone to a page, it's a page on your own website where you have control and you can have this call to action at the bottom. And you're not sending them to YouTube where they might go on to someone else's offer and buy their product. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to Clickfunnels. And if you don't have Clickfunnels, you can try it for free. Underneath this video, I have a button that you can go to and sign up for a trial period and also get a free physical book from Russell Brunson about how to create and build an offer that is effective and allow you to make a lot of money online. So once we get in here and our dashboard pulls up, we just go click this green button that says build a funnel. And to show you the page that I'm doing, I'm just going to click create a custom funnel here at the bottom. And we'll just call this YouTube page. Now once we do that, it's going to pull up a bunch of templates that we can use, and some of these are ones that I got from somewhere else, but there's a bunch that come automatically with the software, and you can just pick one of these templates if you like and start building your web page here. Now I want to start from scratch and build a blank page just to show you, so I'm going to go to miscellaneous here, and at the very bottom I'm going to click blank start fresh. I'm going to select that template and I'm going to edit the page. Now when this pulls up, everything in here is customizable, and you've got this green area where you can add a new section, orange where you can add a new element, and blue where you can add a new row. And depending on what you're trying to do, you can add whatever you want onto this page, and it's all drag and drop. So I'm going to click add a new element, and I'm going to click headline, and where it says fresh start up here, I'm just going to delete that. Now because we're using a YouTube video for this, I'm just going to go to YouTube and find the video that I want. So just for this example, I just typed in how to lose weight, and we're just going to use the very first video that pops up on this page. So I am just going to copy this title here and put that as my title. Now I'm going to hit add a new element, and right underneath that I'm going to put video here, and it's going to pop up this video screen. And if I click on this video, it's going to give me a selection over here of how I want to do this. And I'm just going to pick YouTube. And I'm just going to go back to the YouTube site where it says share, and I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to paste it into this box here where it says YouTube URL. I'm going to make sure I hit enter or return, and that will kind of save it. And now I have other controls I can do. I can do autoplay or whatever I want. Now if we save this right now, we can change the name of this page. This page can go live like this, and we can already have this set up so that if we send someone to this page, they'll be able to watch this video. But we want to make it look a little bit nicer. So one of the things I want to do is change the background here. And you can make this whatever color you want. I like black. And we can also make the screen black. And if we do that, we need to change the text color to white so people can read it. Or yellow or something brighter than that. So that just puts this screen more dark mode. Okay, so once we get the video on here, then we can add a button for people to click on. So we just go down and hit this plus button, add new element. Scroll down to button, and it gives us this little button here with some writing on it. Now if we click on that, we can set the action here, and we're going to be sending them to a website URL when they click this button. So in this scenario, it would be a weight loss offer that we're trying to send them to. Okay, but I don't have a weight loss offer, so I'm just going to send them to my website. Now you'll see once you type that in and hit enter, it shows on the button where they are actually sending them. And I don't like how thin this button is, so if I go to advanced settings here, on button width, I can change it to fill it, and it fills the page all the way across. And I can also change what's written on the text. And so if I type in click here now for more info, that'll show up there as well. And I'll just hit enter so it'll save that. And then at the top right corner here, I'll hit save. So once I get that in and I hit the preview button, it's going to open up the actual web page that it's going to look like for someone I send here. It has my headline, has my video, and the button here at the bottom. And if I click that button, it takes them directly to the website that I put in. And so now we know we have this setup working properly. Now something else you can do here is if you like this template, so you don't have to create all this again, you can just save the page as a template and call it YouTube video create template. Okay, and once you do that, it'll save into your templates so that you can continue to reuse it again. Now, if you want to pull up the page and get the URL, you just go back to your dashboard here and click on YouTube page and go to settings here. And it shows you the URL at the top here.